Oh, wait. Here's Specs eating, well, attempting to eat an apple. He's attempting to eat it. Hey, hey! You can't have the whole thing. You just tried to eat that whole apple. What are you doing? Apple, yummy! Get Valentino. Valentino! No! Ah! He's trying to walk out. He's trying to walk out again. Back. Back. Good boy. Wait, wait, wait. Wait! Apple. Apple. Oh, there it goes. It's gone. It's gone. The apple went away. He's like, ooh. He's dirty. I haven't cleaned him yet. Oh, he's dropping. You're dropping apple pieces. Good boy. Look, it's Valentino. What are you doing? There's nothing over there. Oh, what's your forehead for? What are you doing? What are you What are you doing? I don't have anything. He's searching relentlessly for more food. I don't have it. It's not there. These spots? This is why I shall name him Specs. He's got little white spots on him all over the place. All over the place. What are you? What are you? He's still trying to eat my hand. Alright, buddy. We're gonna go away now, okay? Ah! Bye-bye.